Alrighty, guys and gals, scrappers. We got an aluminum bike and another bike. It might be aluminum. I haven't put a magnet to it, but we got those last night. And then we got those poles last night. And now I'm getting ready to hook you on the front of the bike and take a ride to go dump that stuff. So in about 30 to so minutes, we can run up to Marendorf's and get something. I want some kind of chocolate or something. I'm craving chocolate right now, so that's what we're gonna do. And then when we get back, somehow, some way, that engine is coming off of that lawnmower right there. I don't know how yet. Either grinder unbolting it, or that's the only two ways, really. I mean, because I could use this
on it, but it wouldn't. I think the grinder would be the best bet. So if it don't just free up from me spraying it down with the lubricant, then I'm just gonna cut it off today. I'm tired of dealing with it. It's killed 2 of my batteries already, so it's time for it to come off. So if it don't come off with the 3rd battery, then you know what we're gonna do. Stay tuned.
Alrighty, guys, let me get this unstrapped and I'll be back with you. Let's see me hurt my finger early in the morning, because that's what I like to do. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Oh shoot, this is light. It's not that light, but light enough it don't want to stand up on its own. That's for sure. I mean, check that out. It don't even want to stand up. It wants to lay down on the job. We're going to put that in the pile and put a few cans in the pile and head back to the house for a minute. See what else we can get into. So I'll be back with you in a little bit. I'll be back. Dog almost tried to attack, so I figured I'd try and catch him on camera, but his owner got him back. Go back home, Buster. Go. 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 Go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go. Buster. Now go home. Go home. You don't scare me. Alrighty, guys. I was headed up to Marendorf's to get me something sweet and get me a couple of energy drinks. And I got a call from my buddy, says somebody just put an AC unit out. So now I'm racing off to go get that. I'll bring you back when I get to it. Little, probably 5,000 BTU unit, but it's all intact, so there's got to be some good stuff in it. So I'm going to take it and tear it down like I do everything else. Alrighty, let's see if this will break free now. Fresh battery. Just get on the bulb. He's still not coming off. What in the world? Alright, I know what I gotta do. I'll be back. Well, alrighty, everybody. I'm not gonna hold you up. Just thought I'd catch some of my day. That's basically just the morning part. It's only like noon here, maybe 12:30. I'm beat. Been going ever since the sun came up, pretty much. Just capturing little bit of what I did this morning on camera. That lawnmower's really irritating me. But with like when I had the last one, that the bolts wouldn't come off. I got them to come off. Maybe not in the way they were intended to come off, but they snapped off. So I'm probably going to be doing that here soon. Don't know when exactly, but it's got to be soon. And I have a friend, the same friend, that has had me put his muffler back up under his car twice now. He wants to get it looked at again because he says it's getting loud again. And I told him the last time I put the muffler up in there, I said the muffler's not in good shape. I said you might want to think about replacing it. And if you don't want to spend the money on the muffler to replace it and it goes out on you, then I can't really help you fix that. Even with the welder, I'm not putting that much time and effort into something that I've already had to fix 2 or 3 times now. Well, technically, it would be the fourth time, because, no, it would be the third time, because he didn't want to listen to me the first time. The second time, it was kind of my fault because I didn't weld the nut onto the bolt for the strapping to be held up there. So I took all responsibility for it, and I fixed it for him. And the muffler's still hanging up there where it's supposed to. It's just gotten louder. So now I gotta fix and figure out what that is caused from. And if I can't, like I said, if I can't fix it with just a bead of weld, then he's gonna have to replace the muffler on it. And so stay tuned. I might put that out today, I might not. It depends on if my phone charges up before he gets down here with this car. But still, I don't know if I'm going to be working on it too much. So we'll see. And everybody, stay blessed and have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. Or technically Monday, I think it would be. Or Saturday, depending on where you're at in this world. Y'all have a wonderful day, night, noon hour time. I don't know. I'm just rambling on now, but y'all have a great one.